Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a new URL redirect inside HubSpot. This is a super useful skill if you want to guide your website visitors to the right pages. Whether you've updated your site, moved content, or just want to create a shortcut for a long URL. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up a redirect step by step, and you'll understand why each part of the process matters. Let's jump right in. First things first, you want to make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look towards the top of your screen for a little gear icon. This is the settings button. Clicking that gear gets you behind the scenes of your website setup, where you can control lots of important stuff. Here, we're starting with settings because URL redirects are part of the foundational structure that helps keep your site running smoothly. If you ever find yourself lost or not seeing the gear, just pause and double check. You want to be working with the right permissions so changes will stick. Next, on the left side of your screen, you'll see a sidebar with lots of options. Scroll down until you spot Content. This is where all your website's key pieces are organized. You'll navigate from Content to Domains and URLs, and then finally to the URL Redirects tab. This sequence isn't random. It helps keep your site's structure clear and manageable, especially if you work with a team or have multiple domains. Clicking into URL Redirects brings up a central dashboard where you can see all the redirects you've created before. It's a good idea to review what's there once in a while just to avoid duplicates or conflicts. Now, look towards the top right corner of your screen for a button that says Add URL Redirect. Give that a click. This is where the magic happens. On the right panel, you'll enter two things: the original URL path and then the full redirect to URL. The original URL path is basically the web address you want people to leave behind. It's the old address, maybe a page that's outdated or a blog post you've replaced. For example, if you used to have a page called About Our Team and now you have Meet the Team, you'll enter About Our Team as your original URL path. Next, enter the full URL for where you want visitors to end up. Be precise here. If you're sending them to a specific product, blog post, or a contact form, paste the complete, correct destination URL. This step is important because a typo or missing letter can lead to broken links or confusion for your users. Take a moment to make sure there aren't any extra spaces or mistakes before moving on. Once you've got both URLs in place, look for the Add URL Redirect button at the bottom of the panel and click it to save your changes. This part is quick, but double-check everything before saving. Redirects are powerful, and you want to be sure you're sending users exactly where you intend. After you've saved it, HubSpot handles the rest, so anyone visiting the old link will now seamlessly be sent to the new one. That's all it takes. If something doesn't look right at first, don't panic. Sometimes it can take a minute or so for changes to go live, or you might need to clear your browser cache to see the updated redirect. If you're ever unsure, try testing the old link in a private browser window. That's a handy trick for checking if it's working correctly. And there you have it, a new URL redirect in HubSpot, set up and ready to help your visitors find what they need. If you found this tutorial useful, go ahead and hit the like button, and if you have any questions about redirects, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on future how-to guides and tips. Thanks for watching.